Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. My name is Nikita and today's recipe is tomato chutney. Here I am showing tomato chutney of two kinds. One is raw tomato chutney which is green in color and one more is ripe tomato chutney which is red in color. You can enjoy both the chutneys along with your dal chawal, dosa, idli, anything. To make our green tomato chutney, we will need the following ingredients. 4 medium-sized tomatoes which I have chopped, 1 small onion which I have chopped, 2 chilies which I have again chopped it into 2, salt to your taste, teaspoon of jaggery, 7 cloves of garlic, to 15 mint leaves. Adding mint leaves here is optional. If you want, you can even add coriander leaves, but adding both mint leaves and coriander leaves are optional. 1/4 cup of roasted groundnuts. So to make our tomato chutney, first we'll have to heat our pan. In the ingredients, I forgot to mention to tell you that we are going to be using about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once our pan is heated, we'll add in the oil. Put your oil on medium flame. Once your oil is heated, add in the chili. If your chili starts spluttering, in the garlic. Saute the garlic for about 10 seconds. Just add in the onions. Saute your onions till they turn transparent. Now our onions have turned transparent. So it's time to add in our green tomatoes or raw tomatoes. Also add in salt, chutney. Then saute this. Saute this till your tomatoes become soft and release all its water content. Take somewhere between 4 to 5 minutes. Keep your flame on medium while doing this. As you can see, our tomatoes are releasing its water content. Water content from our tomatoes has been released and it has also got reduced. So now lower down the flame to full low. We'll add in the pudina leaves. After you add the pudina leaves, saute the pudina leaves. It shrinks in its size or for about 10 to 15 seconds. Turn off our heat and we'll add in the jaggery. Since it's already hot, the jaggery will melt into the mixture really well. Give it a nice mix so that it helps in the melting of the jaggery. Adding the jaggery because the tomatoes will be a little sour. If you like the sour taste of it, then you don't need to add jaggery. You can even add sugar, about half a tablespoon. Jaggery is got melted. Now we'll just let it cool down. Once the mixture cools down, we will add it into our blending jar. And then we will also add in our groundnuts. And we'll make a nice fine paste of this. So this is how the paste should look once you are done with it. Here I have used the groundnuts along with the peel. If you want, you can remove the peel and also use it. So now our tomato chutney is ready. We will transfer it into our serving bowl. Garnish it with some roasted chili. And there you go. Our tomato chutney is ready. Alright, so to make our red tomato chutney, we'll be needing the following ingredients. 1.5 tablespoons of oil, around 12 to 15 cloves of garlics which I have crushed, about 1 medium-sized onion which I have sliced it into thin slices, about 5 to 6 tomatoes which I have chopped, about 1 teaspoon of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, a pinch of hing, salt to your taste, about 8 to 9 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of jeera and 1 tablespoon of dhaniya, around half a tablespoon of urad dal. Here I am using 4 guntur chillies. If you want it to be more spicy, then you can use 5 to 6. This will be around a medium level of spicy. And if you don't get guntur chillies, you can also use badki chillies. You'll have to use around 7 to 8. Alright, so to make our chutney, first we'll have to heat our pan. Once our pan is heated, we'll add in our red chilli and we'll dry roast this. We'll have to dry roast this on a little bit of high flame. Dry roast it for about a minute or 2 till it becomes nice and crisp. Now after it is done, we'll take out our chilies. Now next, we'll lower down our flame to medium and we'll add in about 1 tablespoon of oil and we'll heat the oil. As soon as our oil is heated, we'll add in the jeera and the dhaniya seeds. We'll saute it till our dhaniya seeds change their color. Our dhaniya seeds now are turning brown. So immediately, we're going to add in our garlic. Saute your garlic for about 10 seconds. Next, we are going to add in our onions. Saute your onions till they turn transparent in color. The flame on medium. Our onions have turned transparent. Next, we will add in our tomato. At this stage, we'll also add in our salt to our chutney. You have to saute your tomatoes on medium-high flame. Saute your tomatoes till it turns soft and all the water content is released from the tomatoes. Yeah, so now as you can see, our tomatoes have turned soft and all the water content has also been released. So now we'll turn off our heat. Now we'll also add in our jaggery while our tomato is hot, and we'll mix this well so that the jaggery gets melted into the hot tomato. Yeah, now our jaggery is got mixed, and we'll let this cool down. Coming to the tadka part of it, first we'll heat some oil. Once the oil is heated, we'll add in some mustard seeds. It starts fluttering. Then we will add in our hing. Once you add your hing, add in our urad dal. As soon as our urad dal changes its color a little bit, we'll add in our curry leaves. Now our tadka part is done. Now once our tomato and our onion has cooled down, we will add in the roasted chilies, and we'll nicely blend it into our blender jar and make a fine puree of it. So once you puree it into your blender jar, this is how the puree should look. So now we'll transfer this into our serving bowl. We'll also add in some tadka on this. So there you go, our red tomato chutney is ready. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And also please do press the bell icon which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.